Again, a summary about M16 role of Chinese economy. So there is a policy named macroeconomic control. Actually, this is something about the 5-year plan, or we name it guideline. So there is a slightly difference. I will explain it later. But under the introduction of macroeconomic control, there is two types, or we can say it consists of two. The first one is about administrative command. Example, just like the setting electricity charges or prohibiting the speculations on the property market. It means that it does not allow some investment to a certain company. Okay, so these commands is actually quite direct. So it directly affects the companies and will cool down or boost the economy. So while comparatively indirect way will be a market-driven policy. So example includes, for example, when the economy is too overheated, so what we have to do, we have to lower the tax rate, okay? Or we have to increase the loan rate. So we question why there is a macroeconomic control. Back to the recent, like the 12 or third 5-year guideline, actually the China is adopting a socialist market economy. So this is the main aim, okay? Socialist market economy. So it is a contrast with the previous economic planning. So that is a planned economy. It is totally different, okay? This is a plan. So right now, China is adopting this, no longer a planned economy. And for this reason, when we consider the companies, or in other words, the enterprises, there are some difference before and after, okay? So when it was a planned economy, there is only one enterprise. There is a state-owned enterprise. So before it's a state-owned enterprise, but right now the policy changed, and there are several possibilities. The first one, it allows private, and at the same time, there is one right in between. It's a state-invested enterprises. It's totally new. It means at the same time, there is the state involvement, but the word invest, it allows private enterprises to involve as well. So there's slightly different. For the aim of private enterprises is to earn a profit. But while when it comes to the word state, actually state-invested enterprises have some responsibility, I will say. For example, when it is about national security or about utility, there will be more state informed, okay? So this is the key point at the back of the textbook, and this is an illustration about how the planned economy changed in the socialist market economy.